Examples 1 and 2, we learned our new log laws and we practiced combining logarithms to a single logarithm. It's going to really be an important skill for solving equations later on. Question 3 asks you to go the other direction. Going the other direction is often called expanding. And so sometimes you'll get this question and it will say expand completely. And sometimes you'll get this question worded like this, where it says, write each expression in terms of log A, log B, and log C. So what that means is I have to start with log A over B squared, but the only thing I'm allowed to write on the right-hand side of this equation when I'm done is log A, log B, or log C. There can be numbers in front, but there can be nothing else inside of the logarithms. And so this is called expanding completely, because now we're going to take the 3 new log laws that we have, and we are going to start with things on the left-hand side and change them to things on the right-hand side. Our first examples took things on the right-hand side of those formulas and changed them to the left side. Now we're just doing the opposite. So what would I notice? I would notice in this one, I'm dividing. What's the log law for dividing? Log law for dividing is that you can subtract. And now I have a log A all by itself. But I don't have the log B all by itself yet, because I still have an exponent in there. But there's a log law for exponents that say if you have an exponent inside of a logarithm, it can come out in front. And now we have expanded this completely, and we have written things in terms of log A and log B. Just like combining as a single logarithm, I showed you that shortcut. You can use that same shortcut when expanding. If you have multiple things inside of a logarithm, in other words, you have multiplying and dividing more than once, then whatever's in your numerator will get added. And whatever's in your denominator will get subtracted. So the a squared and the b to the 1/3 are in our numerator. They're getting added together. The c is in our denominator. That's going to get subtracted. And then finally, we can use the power law and bring each of these exponents out in front. And this would be considered expanded completely. Or as this question has worded it, we have written this in terms of log A, log B, and log C. All right, questions for practice on this one, 14, 15, and 16.